Last year, the Trump administration finalized a regulation that defined enrollment in the Medicaid program as one of the criteria that can be used in immigration status determinations for millions of lawful documented immigrants in this country. And in fact, it can be used as a criteria for people to get into the country lawfully, including whether they are people with disabilities or significant medical problems. The implementation of this racially motivated, discriminatory regulation was halted by the federal courts until today. Today, the Supreme Court removed that stay on implementation of this regulation, allowing it to go forward in a partisan 5-4 decision. The legal challenges against this regulation continue, but now it is going into effect. And we have already seen a terrible, chilling effect on how immigrants are using healthcare, and people in mixed status families, including United States citizen children, are signing up for the Medicaid program, with enrollment of children in Medicaid down by hundreds of thousands, with particularly pronounced declines in states with large immigrant populations. This is a policy with only one purpose, which is to terrorize immigrant families, to try to pressure them to leave, and to scare them away from not only accessing Medicaid benefits, but from accessing medical care. This is a shocking, un-American policy and a terribly discouraging 5-4 decision by the Supreme Court. It's a break from our nation's proud history of welcoming immigrants and an unfortunate step backward on the road towards racial and ethnic justice in this country. We are bitterly opposed to what the Supreme Court has allowed, and we hope to move both through the courts and ultimately at the ballot box to restore our nation to the path of justice and basic human decency.